Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I live, eat and travel with Bitcoin. Hi, what's up? How are you? What's your name, brother?
I'm Justice Turanira Emana.
This is Justice and he's helping me fix my phone. I don't know, my phone froze and it stopped working. I'm panicking. So I got connected to Justice through BitSasa.
Bitsasa.io
run by Eric and pretty nice people, so he got me connected. And are we also hosting a Bitcoin meetup, right?
Yeah, we're hosting a Bitcoin meetup tomorrow at Technical University of Mombasa from 4:30 to 5:30.
Lovely, mashallah. And now we are off for a panel. It's about blockchain at Pwani Innovation Week and Soheli Port, and we are on our way. What's up, man? What's your name?
Jay.
And what do you do here?
I am the CEO of Asiku Games in Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm here at Pwani Innovation Week in Mombasa, speaking on a Blockchain at the Ghost panel.
Lovely, man. Thank you so much. Are you excited?
I'm super excited, actually.
Okay.
I've been waiting for like weeks now to meet Paco, and so the fact that I'm actually sitting next to him at a lunch table, you have no idea how exciting this is for me right now, because I've been following Bitcoin for years, and I knew that like someday there was going to be Bitcoin celebrities that would come up, because there's all these Bitcoin billionaires, and so that there has to then be Bitcoin celebrities. So to actually be sitting next to one here in Kenya, I never thought it would happen. So very excited.
I am honored. Little rice. Okay. And yeah, a lot of that. Gravy. Yeah, I like that gravy. Asante sa. What's here? Banana. Banana.
There is a factor of
Come on, Pawani National Museum. Come on, everyone, come on. We'll make an NFT of this. You flip the bottle, bro. Open your water, throw the half, start flipping. You got it. Nice. This is it. This is amazing Mombasa. Beautiful people. They all love Bitcoin now. Anyways, what's up, bro? What's your name?
Good, my name is Zolo, aka Zols on Twitter.
And where are we going?
We're going to Posta. We're driving around Mombasa.
Alright, hey, so the good news here is I've got my phone, it's working. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Man, he paid for it and I paid for it on Bitcoin. Now he has some Bitcoin along with his some shit coins. And now you're gonna just chill. I'm really grateful. My wallet is active finally. So I can play around with my Bitcoin, because I have to pay him on for the Bitcoin he's driving us. We'll do one transaction.
No, this is like
Love.
Kenyan hospitality. No need for paying.
You know what all I like in Kenya, you know that. Hills for?
Hills for pads.
Yeah, and those people race a lot. Yeah, so this is where.
Hi, good morning, what's up? So I'm running in Mombasa. We'll be leaving off today to Nairobi. Wow. Man, today's day has been really crazy. After the run, I've been working and then my phone crashed again.
going to buy a new phone, and I'm here for the meetup at Technical.
University of Mombasa.
Oh, wow, exactly. And we're going to tell them about Bitcoin. This is my meetup. What's your name?
Tayo Masharia.
He keeps changing his name. Batu? Roy.
Justice.
Thank you for organizing this. We are at university. I'm going to just talk about Bitcoin now. Awesome, guys. So this is my run with Bitcoin presentation with WhatsApp, Mombasa, Jumbo. All right, good to see you all. Let's do this, yeah?